Hello students, good morning. Welcome to a new session of the chapter The Apple Dumpling, right? Did you all read the lesson yesterday? Yes? Hope you all have tried to read the chapter yesterday. You know what the chapter is about? The chapter is about an old woman who wants to eat apple dumpling, right? What she wanted to eat? Apple dumpling. But what happened? She had no apples at home. Then what did she have at home? She had only sugar, butter and flour, right? Now what do you mean by flour? Flour means atta, correct? But she had no apples and she had a strong desire to eat the apple dumpling. What did she do next? She thought of trading the plums. She had a plum tree in her garden. She thought of trading the plums. Trading the plums यानी किसी से exchange करना, अपने plums किसी को देकर उससे apple लेके आना, right? And in this way, this was the system which was used in the olden days. So this story is written in the olden days, right? So it's about the olden days, right? So what did she do? She picked up the plums from her garden, from the tree. She kept them in a basket and she set off. Whom did she meet first? First lady she met was a young woman, right? We are revising the chapter once again, right? She met the young woman. Now she asked her, would you like to trade my plums? So the young woman thought for a while. उसने सोचा क्या करूं? फिर ध्यान आया कि अरे नहीं, परिवार वालों को प्लम जेली बहुत पसंद है. तो she got ready to exchange, वह रेडी हो गई एक्सचेंज करने के लिए. और उसने क्या किया? प्लम्स ले लिए. क्या ले लिए? प्लम्स. प्लम्स पता क्या होता है? जामुन, राइट? प्लम्स ले लिए. अब बदले में कुछ तो देना था. पहले तो ऐसे ही होता था, मैंने कुछ लिया और मैं रिटर्न में कुछ दूंगी. दैट इज नोन एज बार्टर सिस्टम. तो इसने बदले में क्या दिया? अ बैग ऑफ फेदर्स. शी ओनली हैड अ बैग ऑफ फेदर्स, राइट? अ बैग ऑफ फेदर्स. नाउ दिस ओल्ड वुमेन, ये जो ओल्ड वुमेन थी जिसने प्लम्स दिए, जिसको एप्पल्स चाहिए थे, उसने क्या सोचा? प्लम्स का तो वजन बहुत होता है, चलो ठीक है, एक बैग ऑफ फेदर्स जो है वो हल्का होगा कैरी करने के लिए. सो शी टुक द बैग ऑफ फेदर्स. उसने वो बैग ऑफ फेदर्स ले लिया और आगे बढ़ी. अब आगे बढ़ी, शी मूव्ड ऑन. अब आगे बढ़ने के बाद उसे किससे मुलाकात हुई? उसकी फिर से एक और यंग वुमेन से मुलाकात हुई. तो सेकेंड भी कौन थी? एक यंग वुमेन, राइट? उसका अपने पति से झगड़ा चल रहा था. वो बोल रही थी कि ग्रैंडफादर के लिए, पिताजी के लिए एक सॉफ्ट पिलो चाहिए जिसके लिए आप कॉटन ला के दो. तो अब इन दोनों का झगड़ा चल रहा था जोर जोर से. और वहाँ पर देयर दैट ओल्ड वुमेन केम, राइट? एंड देन दिस यंग वुमेन, शी आस्क्ड दैट ओल्ड वुमेन, कुछ तो हमको सुझाव बताओ. हाउ कैन वी रिजॉल्व आवर प्रॉब्लम? हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, राइट? So then she said that a bag of feathers will make the softest pillow, right? Pillow क्या होता है? तकिया. You know तकिया, ये रोज तकिया रख के सोते हो ना? That. So a bag of feathers will make the softest pillow. So that old woman gave the bag of feathers to another young woman. This young woman took the bag of feathers, right? What did she take? The bag of feathers. But she had to return something. उसको कुछ वापस देना भी था. Then what happened? She had a beautiful garden with the most beautiful flowers. She made a bouquet of flowers and she said, I have only this bouquet of flowers to give you. The old woman said, okay. She took this bouquet of flowers. Now what do you mean by a bouquet of flowers? A bunch of flowers, right? So then she took the bouquet of flowers and she moved on further. right? Now moving further, she met a young lord who was going for his engagement. सगाई करने जा रहा था, right? So he was very sad. The old woman asked him, "Why are you so sad?" He said that the jeweler has not given him the wedding ring, and now what will I take for the engagement? The old woman said, "No problem, you can take the bouquet of flowers." Then she took the young lord, right? He took the bouquet of flowers. Now he was very happy, बहुत खुश था, right? And for taking the bouquet of flowers, he also said, "I have something to give you." मेरे पास भी कुछ है आपको देने के लिए. क्या है? A golden chain. See, you can see a gold chain. He took out the gold chain and gave it to the old woman. A gold chain, right? Now the old woman took the golden chain. She moved on further. मन में विचार करते जा रही थी. She was thinking. Plums के बदले में bag of feathers, bag of feathers के बदले में bouquet of flowers, bouquet of flowers के बदले में golden chain. मेरे एप्पल की कब बारी आएगी? When will I get the apples? When will I make the apple dumpling? She was very, very worried, but still she moved on. Then she found a poor mother. Poor mother, right? This poor mother had her 3 children who were very hungry, and the last bite of the last crust of the bread was over. रोटी का आखिरी टुकड़ा भी खत्म हो गया था. Then the old woman gave the gold chain to the poor mother. Now the poor mother said, "I have nothing to give you, but I have a puppy who will keep barking and keep away your loneliness." And she gave her a puppy, right? She received a puppy. Now old woman, still she did not get apples for her dumpling. She did not lose hope. उसने फिर भी हिम्मत नहीं हारी. फिर आगे बढ़ी कि चलो और देखते हैं, कहीं तो कुछ मिल जाएगा. Then she moved on and she found an apple tree. Where she found an apple tree? In the garden of an old man, right? She asked him, "Will you give me your apples? I will give you my puppy." He was a lonely fellow. Lonely मतलब अकेला था. उसके पास कोई भी नहीं था घर में डिस्कस करने के लिए, बातें करने के लिए. He had no one to talk with, so he was very happy. He took the puppy and gave her the apples, and this is how she made her apple dumpling. Got the chapter? This is all. The whole story is about the apple dumpling. Okay? Yesterday we did reading of the chapter, but we could not complete the whole chapter, and today we will continue the chapter where we left yesterday, right? So be ready with your reader books. Okay? All are ready? Move on to page number 17, right? This is your page 17 and we will be reading here. Keep your finger on your words, correct? While reading, your finger must be on the words which we are reading, okay? Now the first line of this page, the very first line of this page, she showed the young woman her basket of plums that she hoped to trade. She took that basket of plums and she showed it to the young woman. See, the first lady she met was a young woman. वो दिखाए अपने plums का basket और बोला, देखो मेरे पास ये plums हैं और मैं apples चाहती हूँ, आप मेरे साथ exchange करोगे? Oh dear, said the young woman, आई वुड लव टू मेक अ ट्रेड, मुझे बड़ी खुशी होगी आपके साथ ट्रेड करने में. माई फैमिली लव्स प्लम जेली, सी हर फैमिली लव्स प्लम जेली. यस, ऑल आई हैव टू गिव यू इज अ बैग ऑफ फेदर्स. पर मेरे पास तो आपको देने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है, सिर्फ एक बैग ऑफ फेदर्स है जो मैं आपको देती हूँ. राइट, वेल व्हाई नॉट मेक अ ट्रेड, चलो ठीक है, क्यों नहीं करें हम ट्रेड, एक्सचेंज कर लेते हैं. सेड द ओल्ड वुमेन. अ बैग ऑफ फेदर्स शी थॉट वुड एट लीस्ट बी ईजियर टू कैरी. जो प्लम्स का वजन है उससे तो हल्का ही होगा, चलो कर लेते हैं एक्सचेंज. राइट, एंड शी गॉट रेडी टू एक्सचेंज इट. सो दे डिड, उन्होंने एक्सचेंज कर लिया. द ओल्ड वुमेन वेंट ऑन, फिर आगे बढ़ी. सून शी केम टू अ हाउस विथ अ वंडरफुल गार्डन. चलते चलते एक घर के सामने आई जिसके सामने बहुत सुंदर फूलों का बगीचा था. राइट, शी हैड अ ब्यूटिफुल गार्डन. ऑल ऑफ अ सडन, अचानक, शी हर्ड लाउड वॉइसेस फ्रॉम इनसाइड. अंदर से जोर जोर से आवाजें आ रही थी, कुछ बातें चल रही थी, डिस्कशन चल रहा था. दे वर डिस्कसिंग समथिंग इनसाइड द हाउस लाउडली, सो शी कुड हियर द नॉइस, आवाज. कॉटन, सेड अ यंग वुमन लाउडली. व्हाट डिड शी से? कॉटन रजाई, तकिया बनाना था ना, तो उसके लिए कॉटन चाहिए. स्ट्रॉ, येल्ड अ मैन. अब आदमी की आवाज आई. स्ट्रॉ, घास फूस जो होता है हल्का वाला, सॉफ्ट वाला, तो बोले स्ट्रॉ भर देंगे तकिए में. हियर इज समवन हु कैन हेल्प अस, सेड द यंग वुमेन. अब यंग वुमेन को अचानक ये ओल्ड वुमेन दिखी, तो बोले ठीक है, चलो इससे मदद मांगते हैं, ये कुछ हमारी मदद कर दे. राइट, शी कॉल्ड गुड मदर, वुड यू हेल्प अस डिसाइड समथिंग. गुड मदर, देखो मेरी अच्छी माँ, आप कुछ हमको मदद करोगी. इफ़ यू वर मेकिंग अ पिलो फॉर योर ग्रैंडफादर्स बेड, अगर आप अपने ग्रैंडफादर के बेड के लिए पिलो बना रहे हो, वुड यू स्टफ इट विथ कॉटन, क्या उसमें कॉटन डालोगी ना. द ओल्ड वुमेन shook her head. हाँ. फेदर्स विल मेक द सॉफ्टेस्ट पिलो, शी सेड. हाँ, पंखों से भी तकिया जो है बहुत सॉफ्ट बनेगा, पंख भी बहुत सॉफ्ट होते हैं. राइट, फेदर्स यानी पंख. सो सॉफ्टेस्ट पिलो, शी सेड, एंड हैंडेड देम द फेदर्स. और वो फेदर्स का जो बैग था वो उनको दे दिया. एंड एज फॉर मी, इफ यू कैन गिव मी सम एप्पल्स और अ बंच ऑफ फ्लावर्स, आई वुड बी हैप्पी. एंड शी सेड, अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, अगर आप मुझे एक एप्पल्स दे सकते हो या बंच ऑफ फ्लावर्स दे दोगे तो मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी. राइट, the man and the woman had no apples to give. Now see, they had no apples to give. Then what happened? Still they were glad to gather a bunch of roses, lilacs and lilies from their garden for her. Now see, what were the flowers which were growing in her garden? Roses, lilacs, lilies. So then what they did? They gathered the beautiful and the most beautiful flowers from the garden and made a bouquet and they gave her. The man and the woman had no garden, right? A good bargain, said the old woman to herself and carried on. चलो बहुत अच्छा हुआ, मेरे जो बैग ऑफ फेदर्स के बदले में एक फ्लावर्स का बुके मिला, अच्छा ही हुआ, चलो चलते हैं. और फिर वो आगे बढ़ी. She moved on, right? Walking along the King's Highway. हाईवे क्या होता है? शहर के बाहर जो बड़े बड़े रास्ते होते हैं ना, जिसमें से गाड़ियाँ बहुत तेज दौड़ती हैं. At a high speed, you go with your fathers outside, so you are on the highway. जो शहर के बाहर दूसरे शहर को कनेक्ट करते हैं, बड़े बड़े रोड होते हैं, उनको हाईवे बोलते हैं, right? And which highway was she passing? She was passing the King's Highway. The old woman passed a young lord. अब वहाँ पे मुलाकात हुई एक यंग लॉर्ड से. His face was sad. चेहरा बड़ा उदास था. He was very sad. Good day to you, young man, she said. उसने बोला good day. When you meet somebody, you greet, correct? When you meet your teacher for the first time in the morning, when you come to school, you say good morning. Yes. And whenever you meet somebody on the way, so what you say? Namaste, Jai Shri Krishna. Right? So these are the words which you greet. So that old woman greeted that young man, young lord, by saying, "Good day." Not such a good day. बहुत अच्छा दिन नहीं है, said the young lord. The court jeweler didn't send me the ring he had promised. जो ज्वेलर था उसने मुझे वो अंगूठी नहीं भेजी जो उसने प्रॉमिस की थी. The young man sighed. और वो थोड़ा सा दुखी हो गया. Now I must go to my lady with nothing for her. अब मैं जिससे सगाई करने जा रहा हूँ, जिससे एंगेजमेंट करने जा रहा हूँ, मैं उसके पास बिना कुछ लिए जाऊँगा. You will have a gift, said the old woman. नहीं नहीं, कैसे जाओगे आप? आपके पास गिफ्ट है, आप लेके जाइए. Though I have never seen my apple dumpling, अभी तक तो मुझे एप्पल डम्पलिंग मिलने के कोई आसार नहीं दिख रहे हैं, एप्पल्स नहीं मिलेंगे, पर she took the flowers from the basket and gave them to the young lord. See, you can see in this picture the old woman giving the flowers from her basket to the young lord, right? Can you all see it in this picture? Right. She took the flowers from the basket and gave them to the young lord. He smiled brightly. खुश हो गया. चलो, फूलों का गुलदस्ता, फूल बहुत सुंदर थे. He got agreed and he took the bunch of flowers. Kind woman, he said, I would like to give you something. मैं भी तुमको कुछ देना चाहता हूँ. He handed her the gold chain from his neck. Neck, गर्दन. गर्दन में से गोल्ड चेन निकाली और उसे दे दी. Right? The old woman hurried towards the town as fast as her feet could take her. अब और तेज तेज वो चलने लगी कि कहीं तो मुझे एप्पल्स मिल जाएंगे, और शहर की ओर बढ़ने लगी. Soon she passed a mother with many children. अचानक मुलाकात किससे हुई? एक मदर से. उसके 2-3 बच्चे थे. Right? They looked sad. वो लोग बड़े उदास दिख रहे थे. What is the matter? She asked. क्या हुआ? Today is a sad day. आज बड़ा दुखी भरा दिन है. क्यों? Our last crust of bread has been eaten. हमारा जो आखिरी रोटी का टुकड़ा था वो भी हमने ख़त्म कर दिया. We have no money to buy more. हमारे पास अब और कोई पैसा नहीं है और ख़रीदने के लिए. Said the mother. Mother said, we have no money to buy anything more. Buy, purchase, खरीदना. Sell, बेचना. Right? Well, the old woman never will be sad. I ate apple dumpling for my supper when my neighbors had no bread. क्या बात है, जब मेरे पड़ोसियों के यहाँ पे खाने को रोटी नहीं है, मैं एप्पल डम्पलिंग खाऊंगी? नो, इससे बुरा और कोई दिन नहीं हो सकता है. She put the gold chain into the mother's hand. She gave it into the mother and went on her way without waiting for thanks. थैंक यू बोलने का इंतज़ार भी नहीं किया. चेन हैंड ओवर करी और आगे बढ़ ली. And she moved on. A few months later, the mother and her children ran up behind her. कुछ समय बाद, few moments later, moments कुछ समय बाद, 5-7 मिनट बाद, जो मदर थी और उसके बच्चे उस ओल्ड लेडी के पीछे पीछे भागे. We don't have much to give you. हमारे पास बहुत कुछ नहीं है तुम्हें देने के लिए. Said the mother. Still, here is a little dog to show our thanks. एक मेरे पास में छोटा सा पपी है, डॉग है, जो मैं आपको धन्यवाद के तौर पर देना चाहती हूँ. It's a big thanks from our side. His barking will keep you away from being lonely. His barking will keep you away from lonely. वो पूरा दिन चहल पहल चलती रहेगी डॉगी की, तो आपको अकेलापन नहीं लगेगा. You won't feel lonely. Lonely यानी अकेलापन. Right? The old woman did not have the heart to say no. अब ओल्ड वुमेन ने सोचा, इतने प्यार से वो मुझे दे रही है, वो इतना मेरा ध्यान रख रही है, शी इज़ टेकिंग सो मच केयर, हाउ विल आई से नो, दे विल फील वेरी बैड. सो शी ग्लैडली केप्ट द पपी. खुशी खुशी उसने वो पपी को रख लिया. Soon into the basket went the puppy. Right? Let's see now, said the old woman. अब देखो, let's see. Plums for feathers, feathers for flowers, flowers for a gold chain, and a gold chain for a dog. ऑल द वर्ल्ड इज गिव एंड टेक, सारी दुनिया में देना और लेना ही है. हु नोज बट दैट आई मे हैव माई एप्पल डम्पलिंग एट, किसको पता कि मुझे एप्पल डम्पलिंग अभी भी मिल सकती है. टिल नाउ कैन आई गेट एप्पल डम्पलिंग. आशा नहीं छोड़ी. शी नेवर सेड नो. चलो और कोशिश करते हैं. उसने हार नहीं मानी. एंड ऑन शी वेंट, और आगे बढ़ी. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? देन राइट बिफोर हर शी सॉ एन एप्पल ट्री. थोड़ी और आगे जाने के बाद में उसके सामने उसने एक एप्पल ट्री देख ली. शी सॉ इट. इट ग्रो इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ हाउस दैट लुक्ड ऑलमोस्ट लाइक हर ओन कॉटेज. एक ऐसे घर के सामने वो ग्रो हो रही थी जैसे कि उसके खुद का कॉटेज था, जैसे खुद की झोपड़ी थी रहने के लिए, वैसे ही कॉटेज था. ऑन द पोर्च ऑफ द हाउस सैट एन ओल्ड मैन. पोर्च क्या होता है? घर के सामने का जो खाली हिस्सा होता है जहाँ पे हम कुर्सियाँ वगैरह डाल के बैठते हैं. देखो ये वाला पिक्चर, यू कैन सी इट इन दिस पिक्चर ऑल्सो. द ओल्ड मैन इज सिटिंग इन द पोर्च. यू कैन सी द पोर्च, द आउटसाइड एरिया ऑफ द हाउस, राइट? So here that old man is sitting. That is a fine apples. This is a fine tree of apples. बड़ी प्यारी ट्री है apples की, said the old woman. Well, I suppose it is, said he. हाँ, बहुत अच्छी ट्री है, बहुत फल आते हैं इसमें. Still an apple tree is not a good companion. पर ये मेरा साथी तो नहीं बन सकता ना, apple tree. Companion, साथी. What do you mean by companion? साथी. ओके, फ्रेंड. आप कंपेनियन को फ्रेंड भी बोल सकते हो, जिसके साथ आप अपनी सीक्रेट शेयर कर सकते हो, आपकी फीलिंग शेयर कर सकते हो, आपके सुख और दुख सारी चीज़ें आप शेयर करते हो. फॉर अ मैन हु इज ग्रोइंग ओल्ड, I would give all the apples in my tree for a puppy to bark on my doorstep. Now what does he say? वो क्या बोलते हैं? मैं सारे एप्पल्स दे दूंगा अगर मुझे एक पपी मिल जाए जो मेरे दरवाजे के सामने दिन भर भौंकता रहे, दिन भर बार्किंग करता रहे. I would give all the apples in my tree for a puppy to bark on my doorstep. Doorstep मतलब दरवाजा, right? भाव भाव called the little dog from the old woman's basket. इतने में जो ओल्ड वुमेन के बास्केट में पपी था उसने भौं भौं किया. एंड इन लेस टाइम देन इट टेक्स फॉर यू टू रीड द एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी, द लिटिल डॉग वॉज बार्किंग ऑन द ओल्ड मैन्स डोर स्टेप. जितनी देर आपको स्टोरी पढ़ने में लगी उसके पहले तो वो डॉग जो पपी था वो उसके दरवाजे पे बार्क करने लगा. एंड द ओल्ड वुमेन वॉज ऑन हर वे होम. She got the apples and she went home. At last she had a basket full of apples on her arms. और इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद मेहनत का नतीजा मीठा होता है और उसके सारे she got all the apples on her arm. कंधे पे अपना बास्केट लटका के वो घर गई, right? If you try long and hard enough, अगर आप कोशिश करोगे और कोशिश करते रहोगे, you will always have an apple dumpling for supper, she said. She said that कि कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती है. In that same way, if you try and try, then the fruits of efforts are very, very sweet, like the apple dumpling she had, right? That night, the old woman made a large, wonderful apple dumpling. उस रात को उस ओल्ड वुमेन ने एप्पल डम्पलिंग बनाई और बड़े आनंद के साथ, बड़ी खुशी के साथ उस एप्पल डम्पलिंग का आनंद लिया. एंड शी एट इट डाउन टू द लास्ट वेरी क्रम, यम. और आखिरी पीस तक उसने पूरा फिनिश किया. एंड यस, इट वॉज वेरी वेरी यम्मी. So this apple dumpling is a chapter which tells you that efforts are always paid. मेहनत का फल हमेशा मीठा होता है. जो मेहनत करता है, जो कोशिश करता है, उसको उसका फल मिलता ही मिलता है, right? And this is the chapter which also tells you that if you will try, keep trying, try till you succeed. जब तक आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिलती है, जब तक keep on trying. For example, little example which I like to give you. You are weak in English, right? Suppose if you are weak in English, आप इंग्लिश में कमज़ोर हो या मैथ्स में कमज़ोर हो, तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. और अगर हम डेली प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, अगर एक नियम ले लेते हैं, एक छोटा सा नियम ले लेते हैं. नियम मतलब बिना 10 वर्ड लर्न किए आज मैं नहीं सोऊंगा, बिना 10 वर्ड लर्न किए मैं खाना नहीं खाऊंगा, बिना 10 वर्ड लर्न किए मैं टीवी नहीं देखूंगा. टुडे माय टारगेट इज दैट आई विल हैव टू लर्न 10 वर्ड्स. इफ यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट slowly, what will happen? In a day you are learning how many words? In a day you are learning 10 words, right? आप एक दिन में 10 वर्ड लर्न करते हो, बहुत छोटी सी बात है. 10 वर्ड तो यूं लर्न हो जाते हैं. आपने मैक्स को देखा था, मैक्स ने क्या किया था पहले? What did Max do? He collected 2 letter words, then 3 letter words, then 4 letter words, 5 letter words, and his collection grew on bigger and bigger. उसी तरीके से आप भी वर्ड्स जब लर्न करोगे तो पहले 2 लेटर करना, 2 लेटर आ गए, फिर 3, 4, 5. In this way what will happen? You will also learn the words. मैथ्स के जैसा फिर सारे वर्ड्स इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं. So you start arranging them to make a sentence, right? And when you can make a sentence, then you arrange the sentences to make paragraph, right? So this is how the success chart grows. 2 letter words, 3 letter words, 4 letter words, 5 letter words, then you come to a sentence. After the sentence you can make paragraphs. So isn't it easy for you? It is very easy. But what you do is आप एक छोटा सा नियम नहीं लेते हो. ठीक है, अभी पढ़ाई नहीं करी, मैं थोड़ी देर बात कर लूँगा, अभी तो मैं खेल लूँ, और खेलने में मेरा समय सारा चला जाता है. So इसीलिए वो हमको क्या करना. अब ओल्ड लेडी पहली बार प्लम्स थे, नहीं बन सकता, मेरे पास तो प्लम्स ही हैं, मैं क्या करूं? शिकायत करती बैठी क्या? नहीं, निश्चय साफ था. शी हैड प्लान्ड दैट शी वांट्स टू ईट एप्पल डम्पलिंग. उसने अपने गार्डन के प्लम्स लिए, आगे बढ़ी. करेक्ट. हमें एक फर्स्ट स्टेप बाहर डालना पड़ेगा. वी विल हैव टू टेक आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप एंड दिस विल रियली लीड द वे टू सक्सेस. नाउ आपको लगता है ना कि आसानी से एप्पल मिल गए उसको? नहीं. एप्पल्स ढूंढने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ा? फर्स्ट शी टुक हर प्लम्स, शी एक्सचेंज द प्लम्स विद अ बैग ऑफ फेदर्स. With a bag of feathers she got a bouquet of flowers. With a bouquet of flowers she got a gold chain. With a gold chain she got a puppy, and with that puppy she got the apples. So it was a long journey for her. Being old, इतनी उम्र की होने के बाद भी वो चलती गई अपने रास्ते पर, उसने पीछे नहीं हटी. उसने ये शिकायत नहीं करी कि मैं बुजुर्ग हो गई हूँ, आई एम ओल्ड नाउ, आई कैन नॉट वॉक, आई कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. नो, if you want to do, you can do, whether it is you are old or whether you are young. हम छोटे हैं या बड़े, हमको करना है काम तो हम करेंगे, right? So hope you all are going to take the नियम, you all are going to take an oath. आप लोग सब एक नियम लोगे कि मुझे 10 वर्ड्स डेली लर्न करना है, एक्स्ट्रा 10 वर्ड्स. जो मैम पढ़ाती है वो तो रिवाइज करना ही करना है. जब हम रिवाइज करेंगे, when you will revise you will understand it very nicely, and when you will understand it very nicely, when you will follow what your ma'am has said, then you're not going to stay back. आपका पीछे कभी नहीं होगे, आप मैम के साथ साथ बराबरी से काम करोगे, right? So this whole story is adopted from Maud Lindsay's story by the same name. Who is the writer of the story? Maud Lindsay. Okay, who is the writer of the story? Maud Lindsay. Repeat after me, Maud Lindsay. Now here we have an information about Maud Lindsay. Who was Maud Lindsay? Maud Lindsay was born in 1874. See, you can see the first date which is given. That means she was born in on that date, in that year, right? 1874 she was born, and she died in 1941. These are the dates which we must On seeing these dates, we come to know when the writer was born and when he was dead. Was a childhood friend of Helen Keller. You know something about Helen Keller? Helen Keller के बारे में मालूम है? उनको दिखाई नहीं देता था, वो बोल नहीं पाती थी, उनको सुनाई नहीं देता था. She had all these three things, and with the help of a teacher, she invented the Braille script. You know the Braille script? Braille script क्या होती है? वो लिपि होती है. It is script यानी लिपि होती है जिससे जिसको दिखाई नहीं देता, जो बोल नहीं सकता, जो सुन नहीं सकता, वो सारी चीज़ें दुनिया की पढ़ सकता है और बता सकता है. वो लिख के सारी चीज़ें पढ़ लेता है और हमें भी बता सकता है. That is Braille script. And Maud Lindsay was the friend of Helen Keller. Lindsay wrote many children's books. बहुत सारी बच्चों के लिए किताबें लिखी. The first of which was Mother Stories. सबसे पहली जो किताब थी उनकी, उसका नाम है Mother Stories, right? She also became famous for her book Selected Poems. She got very famous for her book Selected Poems and collections such as A Story Garden for Little Children. Her stories like Little Missy and Silverfoot were also very popular. Yes, so she was a children's writer. That means she would write for the children, and this chapter also she has written for the children only. So, who is the writer of Apple Dumpling? Maud Lindsay. Hope this chapter is very, very clear to all of you. All of you will do the reading of this chapter and you are going to underline the difficult words. See, while reading the chapter, you will find 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words, all type of words you will find. Okay. Now, which are the words you don't know? Which are the spellings which are very difficult for you? After me explaining the whole chapter, there may be many words which you don't know the meaning, or which I don't know that you don't know the meaning, right? So you can type those words on the WhatsApp and send them to me, okay? So that I will come to know that the meaning of these words you don't know, okay? Right? So you are going to read the chapter, underline the difficult words, and then in the next period, we are going to write down the dictation words, the word meanings, and the question answer summary of this chapter, right? So in the next period, you have to be ready with your classwork, copies, and your difficult words, okay? So today the homework for you is underline the difficult words, do the reading of the chapter, and you can send those words to me on the WhatsApp group so that I may also make you write those words in your classwork copy, okay? I will also come to know with those words which you don't understand, okay? Now see, here we have tick the correct answer. This is our first exercise of the book, okay? The old woman had dash to make apple dumpling. Now what did she had? Flour, apples and sugar. Did she have apples? No, this answer is not correct. Flour, butter and sugar. Yes, she had flour, flour यानी आटा, butter and sugar. Flour, lemon and butter. No. So my right answer is flour, butter and sugar. Next, the young woman's family loved to eat. What did the young woman's family love to eat? The first woman she met, what did their family love to eat? Apple dumpling? No, the old woman wanted to eat apple dumpling. Plum jelly? Yes. According to the chapter, the young woman's family loved plum jelly to eat. The man and the woman were arguing about how to stuff a stuffed bharna. Okay, so to fill something, what were they arguing? Argue करना मतलब बहस चल रही थी दोनों की. बहस काय के ऊपर चल रही थी? Pillow, mattress, blanket. Yes, pillow. Correct. So they wanted to stuff a pillow. For whom did they want to stuff the pillow? For their grandfather. Okay. The old woman got dash in return for flowers. Now whom did she give the flowers? Whom did the old woman give the flowers? The old woman gave the flowers to the young lord, and this young lord took the bouquet of flowers and gave a golden chain. Correct? So who took the flowers? Young lord. And what did he return for the flowers? A gold chain. Correct? The old woman gave the gold chain to the mother because, why did she give it to the mother? Poor mother. She handed over the gold chain to the poor mother. She came across the poor mother. She asked it for. उसने मांगी थी. It originally belonged to her. क्या पहले से उसी की थी जो उसने वापस कर दी? She had no money to buy food for her family. Why did she give? Because she had no money. The children were starving and the last crust of bread was also over. रोटी का आखिरी टुकड़ा भी खत्म हो गया था. Okay, so these are the correct options which we have learned. You will read it at home. Okay, all of you. And tomorrow in the next period, be ready with your classwork copies so that we may start writing the dictation words, the glossary, the question answers, the fill in the blanks, everything we have to complete it also, right? So this is enough for today. Hope you all have understood the chapter. Let's revise it once again. The chapter is the apple dumpling. Who is the writer of this chapter? Maud Lindsay. Okay, and who is the main character in this chapter? The old woman. What did the old woman want to eat? What did she wanted to eat? She wanted to eat apple dumpling. Did she have apples in her garden? No. What did she have in her garden? She had a plum tree with the best plums. How were the plums over there in her garden? Round plums, red, and the best plums. What did she think then? Let's go and exchange. Let's trade it. Then what did she do? She kept all the plums in her basket and she moved on. The first woman she met was a young woman whose family wanted to eat plum jelly. She gave the basket of plums to her and in return she got a bag of feathers. बदले में क्या मिला? एक bag of feathers. Then she moved on. Then she again met a young woman. Young woman, another young woman. She was fighting with her husband. Why they were arguing? You may not say fighting. They were arguing. बहस कर रहे थे, right? So she was arguing to stuff the pillow for her grandfather. Then the man said straw and she said cotton. By the way, this woman came, old woman. She gave them the right suggestion. उनको सही बात बताई कि आप feathers डाल सकते हो, वो उससे softest pillow बनेगा. Pillow यानी तकिया, right? Then that young woman, she took the bag of feathers. She had a beautiful garden of flowers in her house. She made a bouquet of flowers and she handed over the bouquet of flowers to the old woman. Further, the old woman moved on and on the king's highway, she met an young lord. Young lord, 20-25 साल का लड़का, right? So, जिसकी शादी होने वाली है, लॉर्ड बोलते हैं. उनको क्या दिया? He was very sad. Why was he sad? He was sad because the jeweler had not given him the rings for exchange. So what did the old mother suggest him? She gave her the bouquet of flowers. You go and give it to your lady fiancée, जिससे शादी होने वाली थी, सगाई होने वाली थी, right? Then he was very happy and in return he gave her a gold chain. Now the old woman moved on further with the gold chain to get apple. Then she met a poor mother. In the poor mother's house there was no bread, her children were hungry. Then when she saw it, when the old woman saw this, she felt very bad that I want to eat apple dumpling when my neighbors have nothing to eat. Then she handed over the gold chain to the poor mother. Now the poor mother felt very happy, and she said that yes, she also wants to give in return something, and what she had was a young puppy, and she went running after her to give her thanks, and she gave the young puppy to the old woman. Now see, the whole trade was taking part, but there was no apples anywhere. But still the old woman did not give up. उन्हें हिम्मत नहीं हारी, and she moved on. Moving further, she found an apple tree. In whose house she found an apple tree? In the old man's house she found an apple tree. And there the man said, I will give away all the apples of my tree because my tree is not a good companion. Companion means a friend. मेरी ट्री का मेरे को कोई साथ नहीं होता, वो मेरे से बात नहीं करता, and I need a companion. He is not a good companion. वो मेरा बहुत अच्छा friend नहीं है. In that meantime, the doggy was in the basket. He started barking, and then the old woman gave her puppy to the old man, and in return she took the apples from his garden and came back home, and she cooked apple dumpling for her, and she ate away all the apple dumplings, finished off her plate. She did not leave anything behind, and this is how she got to eat apple dumpling, which was her intense desire. जो बहुत इच्छा हो रही थी उसकी खाने की, उसको इस इच्छा को पूरा करने के लिए उनको इतने सारे हर्डल्स को पास करना पड़ा, इतनी सारी मेहनत करनी पड़ी. तो कुछ भी पाने के लिए हमें मेहनत करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. दिस लेसन गिव्स यू दैट द मैसेज दैट यू हैव टू try. The fruits of success are very sweet, right? जो सक्सेस का फ्रूट होता है, जब आपके अच्छे मार्क्स आते हैं, जब सारे घर के लोग खुश हो जाते हैं और क्या बोलते हैं, वेल डन माय बॉय, करेक्ट. पापा गिफ्ट लाते हैं, मम्मी गिफ्ट लाती है, सब जगह हमारा नाम होता है. तो हम थोड़ी सी मेहनत करेंगे, इफ वी विल पुट इन लिटिल एफर्ट्स, होप वी विल बिकम very successful, right? So to put in the little efforts, from today children, you are going to start learning 10 words daily, okay? And if you don't know which 10 words, you start from 2-letter words. If you know all the 2-letter words, then move on to 3-letter words, then 4-letter words, then 5, and keep on increasing your vocabulary. And the more you learn the vocabulary, you will be able to construct good sentences. And after the good sentences are combined together, it will make a paragraph, right? So pronounce after me. If I have given you the work to read, do it today, okay? Right? So hope you all are going to read the chapter, and if you have finished reading the chapter, you are going to WhatsApp me. And if you are happy with my videos, you like my videos, just like it, okay? So hope it is very clear to you. Meet you in the next session. Bye.